At this point, we have a box assembly here that has been constrained with a group mate. We've also created an axle subassembly using the group mate, and also a follower subassembly, which partially uses a group mate, but the axle rod is a slider mate, so it can move up and down like this. Let's install these subassemblies into the box assembly. Let's start with the follower subassembly, so we can come over here and click assembly. Let's do the follower here. I'm just going to bring one in here for now, and what I need to do is place it in as follows. So this is going to be a fixed mate. So there's a fastened mate, excuse me, and then so we'll click there, and then we want that to be right there. And when you use multiple parts on the mate, it doesn't bring them all over, so you have to click the check mark to see what happens. So there we go. And let's see if that worked. So I'll hit Shift 7 to get my bearings, and then this guy doesn't move, but this guy can, as you can see. So that looks good. So I'll just have to repeat that. 2, 3, and 4. Maybe we can do that with a patterning. I think we actually can, but I don't use that very often, so we're going to hold off on that. So that's how you do the fastened subassembly into the box assembly. Let's put in the axle now. So insert assembly. Here's the axle. We just need one of those, and we'll accept that. So that is similarly going to go in, but it's actually going to be a revolute mate, because it's going to rotate. This axle bushing is going to rotate. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to choose revolute, come up here and grab the center of that circle, and then I'm going to come over here and grab the center, let's see, right there, and let's see if that worked. So Shift 7, it's in there, it's sticking out a little bit as we want it to, and can't it's going to be hard to tell. Oh, there it goes. So it is rotating. Let's go ahead and just animate this so we can be sure that it is in good shape. So let's speed it up a little, 100, and so there it goes. So I think that's correct. Now over here we're going to want to put in an axle bushing to hold it on this left side. So let's insert from the, I think it was in our box part studio. Let's see, where is it? Axle bushing right here. Let's put that in there. And I want to turn this around, so let's see. Let's zoom up. There it is. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to sort of rotate it around so it is oriented. That's right. So let's put a fixed mate. So the center, so I'm going to hold Shift key and then grab the center there. And I'm going to come over here, and that automatically grabs the center. And let's accept that. And I think that should be okay. So let's go up to the other revolute and animate that. Take that from 300 to 100, make it a little faster. Yeah, that's what we want. Okay. So that's putting the subassemblies into the box assembly, and we'll pick it up on the next video. Thanks for watching.